If you apply for a job and you have been called for interview, there are various questions that you will be asked. Tell me about yourself. Why did you leave your last job? What kind of salary do you need? Why should we hire you? What is your greatest strength? Are you willing to work overtime, nights, weekends? And at the last you will be asked, do you have any questions for me? Hey guys, this is Leena Moon. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you like me and my video, make sure subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends who are preparing for interviews. The most often asked question in interviews, tell me about yourself. You need to have a short statement prepared in your mind. Talk about things you have done and jobs you have held that relate to the position you are interviewing for. Here, the interviewer is not really interested in your answer. What they are looking at is your confidence. They look at how you are talking. You should be confident and full of enthusiasm. I am going to give you a demo for this question. Tell me about yourself. This is Leena Moon. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. I am basically from Nagpur, Maharashtra. I am science graduate. I completed my masters in computer management as well as English literature. I am carrying an experience of 4 years. I had been working as a trainer in embedded systems. I also worked for Young Engineers Program Robotics. I belong to nuclear family. In my leisure time, I read books. My strength is my positive attitude. I am hardworking, self-motivated, self-disciplined, and good decision maker. That's all about me, sir. This is very sweet and short answer of tell me about yourself. Now I am going to talk about other questions and answers that are asked in the interview. What kind of salary do you need? A loaded question. A nasty little game that you will probably lose if you answer first. So do not answer it. Instead, say something like, that's a tough question. Can you tell me the range for this position? You can say something like, it can depend on the details of the job. And then give a wide range. Why did you leave your last job? Stay positive regardless of the circumstances. Never refer to a major problem with management and never speak evil of supervisors, co-workers or organization. If you do, you will be the one looking bad. Keep smiling and talk about leaving for a positive reason such as opportunity, a chance to do something special or other forward-looking reasons. Do you consider yourself successful? You should always answer yes and briefly explain why. A good explanation is that you have set goals and you have met some and are on track to achieve the others. What do co-workers say about you? Be prepared with a quote or two from co-workers. Either a specific statement or a paraphrase will work. You can say something like, co-worker at my company always said I was the hardest workers he had ever known. What do you know about this organization? This question is one reason to do some research on the organization before the interview. Find out where they have been and where they are going, what are the current issues and who are the major players. Are you applying for other jobs? Be honest but do not spend a lot of time in this area. Keep the focus on this job and what you can do for this organization. Anything else is a distraction. Why do you want to work for this organization? This may take some thought and certainty. You should be based on the research you have done on the organization. Sincerity is extremely important here and will easily be sensed. Relate it to your long-term career goals. How long would you expect to work for us if hired? Specifics here are not good. Something like this should work. You can say, I would like it to be a long time, or as long as we both feel I am doing a good job. Why should we hire you? Point out how your assets meet what the organization needs. Do not mention any other candidates to make a comparison. What is your greatest strength? Numerous answers are good. Just stay positive. A few good examples: your problem solving skills, your ability to work under pressure, your ability to focus on projects, your professional expertise, your leadership skills, your positive attitude. What is more important to you, the money or the work? Money is always important, but the work is the most important. There is no better answer. I have included all 50 questions in the description box. You must read this. Do prepare these questions. Your interview is going to rock and you definitely crack it. So best of luck. Bye.